Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Fanman 1989 here once again. How is everybody on FanTube today? I know that I haven't done anything in a while. I've been really sick, and I've been going through a lot here lately. But anyway, I hope that you have all had a good 4th of July, and I hope that everybody has had a lot of fun. And today I'm going to be starting off a new stream of some fan videos here, and I have a couple. I have a few that I'm going to be getting on my channel this week. But here we're going to be starting off with what I do believe is a 15-inch early to mid 2000s Blizzard Holmes table fan. And this is a Blizzard. It has 3 plastic blades, and it is a little dirty. Here's the side of it. Has the tilting stand here. This does appear to be, I do believe this is aluminum too, by the way. I have a shot at the back here. Okay, and this is the back. This is the carrying handle here. It's just a little gap here in the back for carrying. There is the Holmes insignia, and this fan is actually, I do believe, a 4-speed. That's what it says there on the back. It's a pretty cool looking speed selector there. Here's the power cord. Looks to be in decent shape, I guess. We'll have a look at the plug here. It is a little dirty. I'll have to clean that off. Doesn't look to be too bad. The prongs are not tarnished, and I don't think it's polarized. But it's good and flexible. It's not cracking anywhere. It's not frayed. Let's see if we can get a look at the information tag here. This, of course, made by Holmes, the Holmes Group Incorporated. Made in Milford, Massachusetts, 10757. Made in China, serviced in USA. And the model is Hpf322 electric fan. And it draws 120 volts, 60 hertz, and 80 watts, and AC only. All rights reserved. Patient pending. International. I guess that's the serial number and everything. And yep, it was manufactured January of 2006. So this goes back. It's a pretty cool looking fan. I'm not exactly too sure what motor that is there in the back, but I've seen these on several other different, particularly modern fans. It looks like a Fasco, but I don't think it is a Fasco. Let's plug this thing in and give it a test run. Okay, I guess let's start it up here on the high speed. Okay, sorry about that, folks. I had to move this into to the other room because the outlet in the room is not quite working. Let me see if I can try to clean this off a little bit. Alright, let's plug it in. Okay, let's start it up. Okay. Looks like it's working pretty well. Very quiet. It's putting out air volume on it is. That air volume on this is actually pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and knock it down to medium. With the design of the grill here, and with the, I guess, the blade pitch on it, creates better air quality, not bad airflow. Now the low speed. There's not a whole lot of vibration to it. I mean, it's not perfect, but not too bad. And I guess this would be considered the super low speed. Okay, let's knock it back up to high. Get it out of the windscreen to where you can get a good sound of it. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it off. Okay. Coast down on it really isn't all that great, but the thing hasn't been cleaned in a pretty good while. See if I can try to get in there to where you can get a good look at the windings. It does sort of put out a smell when running, but I guess it's more it hasn't been cleaned in a while. Well, okay, everybody. Well, there you have it. There was a video and a demonstration of a 15-inch Blizzard Holmes table fan. I hope that you've enjoyed the video, and more to come, and bye-bye.